Hello everyone, Tyler here. I wanted to give some quick impressions on my DJI Action 2 quote action cam that I received yesterday. I've had a chance to play around with it a little bit, do some test videos, and I think it's going to work out really well for what I want to do. Here's everything that I've purchased so far. Everything together was about $360 US. Starting off with here's the main camera unit, and I got the power bundle, which comes with this camera unit. The camera unit, and then the battery unit, and also came with the magnetic cases that DJI released specifically for this unit. I have the power unit on one, and then I don't have this one on the main camera right now. And one thing that the power bundle comes with, or one thing that the power bundle doesn't come with, is this sticky magnetic mount that comes in the dual screen bundle, where you get one screen on the back of the camera unit, and then you basically have a battery unit that has a screen on the front, so it's much better for vlogging, but that's not going to be what I'm going to use mine for. So and it's also quite a bit more expensive. I paid $270 for the power bundle with the included magnetic cases, and I think the dual screen unit is still about 519 or 509, something like that. But everything that comes within the power bundle case, I already talked about the camera unit, the battery bundle. You get this magnetic pendant. You can attach it to and attach the camera to the bottom of that, and you can hang that around your neck. And basically this and the camera would go under or go over your shirt, and the pendant goes under your shirt, and then you can shorten this up. The other thing that came with the power bundle, which I already have attached, this is my POV setup. Got a same top hat clip or backpack clip. It's the same one that Tedward uses on his channel, and then that magnetic base that is about $20 if you buy it separately. But that comes with the power bundle, and you can so that it has the same connection as all like the standard GoPro mount, so you can use it with all the standard GoPro stuff. So I have that already set up. That's basically clipped on the right area, so it doesn't touch my nose, and it's set up really well for the POV driving videos I'm going to try to shoot. And then I also got just a cheap basic Amazon Basics headband. It was like $8, and seems to be fine. I don't like what the driving footage looks like. That I have a couple of tests that I'll show, but so everything so far and some examples of some of the videos I've shot. I'm not going to edit it together. I'm just going to play some videos off screen here. This is the first one where I just stuck the magnetic camera unit, or the camera unit, to the center front of my car, and just did some driving until the wind noise is definitely going to be a problem. So I might use a external microphone, or just not really worry about it too much. And here's one. I think this was one of the first ones I had the hat clip on. I was just shooting one of the dogs that's with me right now. That's Bear. Just testing out trying to find the right video settings and stabilization settings. Looks like what's going to be best for getting the perspective and getting everything that I want to see when I'm driving in the car is going to be using the wide setting with steady, which crops in a little bit more than rock steady. This is a video that I shot yesterday using the headband, and it looks fine when you're not in the car, but then once you get in the car, there's way too much roof, and it just doesn't look natural. Even I did some testing where I turned down would angle the camera more down. It still doesn't really work very well. So I'm not going to be doing that. And then so one of the last tests I did before I said this was using the standard D-warp field of view plus the standard D-warp field of view plus steady, and said I'm going to use wide because I would like to see more of the steering wheel and also the gear shifter. So in more testing I saw that would work pretty well. I'm really pleased with how the footage looks. I've just been shooting 1080p 60. That's probably what I'm primarily going to shoot, because if I want to do any editing at all, there's no way in heck that my computers would be able to handle 4K editing. And even 1080p 60 it's going to be a little slow. But again, I'm not really looking to put together like super professional videos or anything. I want these videos for myself, and I'm just putting out there for anybody else to enjoy. But the sense of speed, I really like the sense of speed. I think on this video I got up to maybe like 25, maybe 35 miles per hour, and the sense of speed was quite good compared to a direct dash mount. And I will be testing that out too, using so this guy has a reusable sticky pad. You pop this cap off, and then there's a sticky pad underneath. I'll be able to just plunk that onto the dash. Anyway, that's my initial impressions and just kind of everything I got with this. I did look at GoPro 10s. I looked at other older GoPros, the original Osmo Action, but for the size, which this is the one thing, this thing weighs like 56 grams. It's like 2.4, 2.5 ounces, something like that. I don't remember exactly, but the size of it, the touch screen, the responsiveness of it's really good. It looks like it completely kills the GoPro as far as responsiveness on the user interface, and that's definitely important to me. And so the video that it shoots is much better than what I was getting on my cell phone. And for the price, I think this is one heck of a bundle. So for $270, and I just bought it off of Amazon, it seems to be like I think it's going to be a really nice setup. And so this thing is just so light, and the battery life is not the best on it, but let's say it charges pretty fast when you turn it off and then stick it onto the base. That clips on like that, and it will charge pretty quick. And the battery pack will charge this thing about 2 full times, so you get basically 3 runs out of 3 full uses out of this. I would assume you could probably get about, I'd say probably like 80 to 90 minutes of footage as far as on the total footage shot over the 3 battery charges on the camera by itself. And the internal unit has a 32 gig, or this camera unit has 32 gigs built in, 22 is usable, and then I bought a 128 gig SD card that I have in this, and you can transfer from the camera unit to the SD card. And it's kind of slow. It's a lot faster to just plug it in using USB or even transferring via Wi-Fi. But that's pretty much it. So that's it. I really like the form factor, the quality of it. It just feels really nice in the hand. The being able to just magnetically stick it to anything, I think it's going to be really good for getting some of the shots and footage that I want. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.